Welcome to Timeline Roto Sports. It's your host Tumisane. Ngihamba neguest yami lana uSipho. Msikela.
You good dog.
Shap kunjani nje? Hayi mfoka baba. Hey, Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates Nedbank Cup. Ubona kanjani othami?
Dog, it was not an easy journey. From day one, dog, we've been supporting Kaizer Chiefs, dog.
Yeah.
And let's not forget, it's a 10-year drought.
Yeah.
It ended today. Sishayile, dog.
Yeah.
No, it was not an easy game. It was not an easy game. Kaizer Chiefs were the first to score. Then I think in less than 5 minutes, Pirates equalized. It was not an easy game, but eventually, about 80 minutes, we got a goal. The score is 2-1.
So, like looking at the game, I saw the Pirates dominate like throughout the game. I think up until maybe the last 15 minutes a game, and they normally dominating the last 15 minutes. Did it give you anything? You go to Kaizer Chiefs obuya kule game le na win or begenzakalani?
No, to be honest, mina bengibheke extra time and penalties because Pirates is very dangerous, and if you check the stats, it's very rare to find Kaizer Chiefs score around say 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So I was looking at extra time, then penalties. Then to my surprise, there was a goal.
And then like goal like Yusuf Mart. Yeah, what a goal!
Beside the goal, even the assist from Dushabalala, that was brilliant. That was brilliant. Even Umart, and if you can check, Mart I'm criticized from previous games, but today I was fagil.
Yeah, because I think like a lot of good players, the player that performed better today are the most the ones that were criticized. But today they came to the party. Is it because of Mhlambe Guti was the last hope in Nedbank, or maybe Kaizer Chiefs is turning the corner?
No, if you check the previous game, it was the PSL. But right now, in Nedbank Cup, beside the Nedbank Cup, we are ending our 10-year drought. This one is breaking a record. We are ending our 10-year drought. And if you can check, even some of the players who were in, they were not there previous on the other game because of red cards and injuries and too much yellow cards. And watch out the space. We are coming for the league.
Yeah, and like for the thing Yoguchi, no goalkeeper uchenchile ngono Bruce agekho nasebenchini, and then Peterson ungenile wayenza something different.
At first I was very disappointed. I thought it's always the previous goalkeeper Umoya, but if you can check Peterson from the stands, from the bench, Peterson was always the motivator, was always Afagumoya. I think Peterson was very hungry for this game. Even though I doubted him in first goal, but no, we played very well. I do not complain at all.
It seems like bayeza baning bajabulile amakhosi. Oh, okay. No.
Kosi for life.
Oh, okay. No. Asibonga Msikela. Bafethu iKaizer Chiefs winile namhlanje. Surrounded. Sokala ningasabi bafethu. Show puti. Angitshele uthi ungivakashela nani uboneni kwenzakalani namhlanje?
Sicela iBarcelona. Into engizoyisho nje sicela iBarcelona bagade neligi sayithatha next season.
Oh, bengithi sithatha yona le thathwa iSundowns.
Hayi asiyeki iSundowns. So thatha le.
After 10 years.
Akunankinga ngithi isikopho sivuthiwe namhlanje.
It's incorrect lo sis. Uyabona iChiefs nePirates siphume endaweni eyi-1. So le after 10 years bayilahlele kithi siyaze ngabo. We didn't know it's possible ukuthi ungawini cup for 10 years until bona. So manje sithathile case yabo sibreakile namhlanje amakhosi ajabulile.
Nabi
Njengomzali.
Senze kanje.
After how long?
Asicabani masifike endlini ngithi.
Okay bafethu. Yazini bafethu ngiyabona kujabulekile. Sondela but sondela amakhosi ajabulile bafethu ajabulile.
Manje skipper sekasifaka manje.
Hayi dala sikhona le. Sala season le.
Sekhana sifaka
Angeke
manje.
11 piece. 11 piece. Kosa liphela umoya. Sikopho namhlanje sivuthiwe. Sikopho namhlanje
ngiyabona bafethu kuyashuba namhlanje kushubile straight.
Sivuthiwe namhlanje sivuthe phezulu kwePirates. Aliphakamisa cup. Liye natural.
After how long?
No, after 10 years anginandaba ubuthiwe.
10.
Yeah, anginandaba. Wena uphuma kuma semi final weCAF.
Okay bafethu asiyeni as much as iPirates idliwe siswamphathi ke idlalile akufani ikwazile ukuthi ifike kuPirates ikwazile ukuscore yes so akukho kubi kangako.
It's not that bad.
yazi angithi kubi bafike kufinal ngama-penalty mina since ngiwini all the way shama fonile 3-1 bona
so kahle bo ready vele ukuthi
yabona last game ngibeka ama-player amangozi ngabe ebenchini ngathi hayi thi badlala abantwana bo.
So but just to be honest nje i-faith bonayo mawubheka i-starting lineup saka coach
abenginayo thema babakhipha uvumile epalini ngabona
ubonile unto ukuthi
sabangena umbonile uSirilo Wamasarini apha kaMasarini hayi nje sisijwayele lezi
okay bafethu asibonge bafethu i-Timeline Radio Sports subscribe bafethu silandeleni page ku YouTube sikhona kwa wonke ama channel ciao gents
have in peace.